I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, sin with me tonight. I run away. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now.
प्रकृति भन्दा सुन्दर अरु कुनै वस्तु छैन यो दुनियाँमा। साँच्चै प्राकृतिक सुन्दरताले यो अस्तित्व अथवा यो आत्मा पनि भोकाएको सिंह जस्तै हुन्छ। यी नयनहरू चारैतिर दौडिन्छन्। प्राकृतिक सुन्दरतामा यो मन हराउँछ। प्रकृतिसँग नजिक हुँदा स्वर्गीय आनन्दको आवाज हुन्छ। मलाई लाग्छ यो प्रकृति नै भगवान हो। हामीले कहिल्यै नदेखेको भगवान यो प्रकृतिमा देख्न सक्छौं। यो प्रकृतिका सबै चीजहरुमा हाम्रो अस्तित्व जोडिएको छ। त्यसैले प्रकृतिको संरक्षण गरौं र प्रकृतिलाई माया गरौं।
We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away. I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away. I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, sin